oil change on a 2017 Nissan 370Z Nismo. So let's get busy. Cold start up. So you're going to have to take this piece of plastic off. There's a whole bunch of these screws. Just comes around the outer, along the edge, several in the back here. And then there's these two pull tabs. You gotta get them with a screwdriver. Once you get them free, it ought to come right down. Let me get these screws out of here. Yeah, it ought to just fall down or pop down. We'll just get that out of the way. Now we can gain access to the oil pan and the filter. The oil pan drain plug is located on the passenger side, and that is a 14 mil socket. I think there's an easy way to do this. There we go. Your oil filter is just right above it right here. I seem to always make a mess. And with any oil change, make sure you either pull out your dipstick tube or unscrew the filler cap to let the oil drain freely. Well, when it's pretty much finished draining, just repeat your steps backwards, and we're going to start with our drain plug. Snug it down. Wipe up any excess oil. I'm using STP extended life oil filter. Put my little push pins in first. That way they kind of hold it and it don't drop on my head. There we go. Now I can start with all these 10 millimeters. today. We got full 5 quarts of synthetic 5W30. Think that'll be good. Go to info, scroll down to maintenance, engine oil life, and here you can adjust how far. Well, we got synthetic, so we're gonna go 7,000 miles. Oops, you can adjust it with that too. Got the reminder on, and we're gonna reset the distance. As always, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure and subscribe if you want to see more on the Nissan Nismo. We'll be taking it out and doing some stuff, driving around, see what it can do. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Until the next video, see you later.